In Microsoft Edge, you don't have to use the default settings. There are plenty of settings and features that you can adjust to personalize your browsing experience and improve efficiency and privacy. If you use Microsoft Edge, you should take a look at these 10 settings, as you may notice something that you want to change. Here are 10 Microsoft Edge settings you may not know you can change. By default, Edge fills your home screen with a newsfeed, which can be distracting and feel cluttered. To customize your home screen, click on the settings icon in the top right corner of the page. A pop-up will then display, where you can move the widgets and newsfeed further down the home screen or turn it off completely. You can also change the background image. Edge provides a large selection of background images you can choose from, or you can upload your own background image. Edge comes with the default gray theme, but you can change this by going to Settings and Appearance. In the Appearance settings, you can change the theme, which will apply to the colors of the tabs and the address bar. If you want to enable dark mode, you can select dark in overall appearance. Edge also provides an AI theme generator, which lets you generate a theme based on a text prompt. You describe the type of theme you want, and Edge will generate a theme, which you can apply to the browser. Vertical tabs display all tabs in the top left corner, allowing you to fit more on the screen without losing sight of page titles. This is useful if you often have many tabs open at once. To turn on vertical tabs, go to Settings, Appearance, and Toolbar. You can then select Show Vertical Tabs for all current browser windows. To access the tabs, hover over the left tab bar. Split screen mode in Edge lets you view two websites side by side within the same browser tab. This is very useful for multitasking, making comparisons, and for other activities that require you to switch between two web pages. To use split screen mode, click the three-dot menu and split screen. Once clicked, your current tab will split in half. On the second screen, you can open a new page and paste a URL. You can also drag the divider bar to resize each screen. Edge has built-in privacy settings, including blocking of web trackers. There are 3 tracking prevention levels, including Basic, Balanced, and Strict. Basic protection allows trackers on most sites, but it still blocks harmful trackers. Balanced protection blocks trackers from sites you haven't visited. Strict protection blocks most trackers from all sites, so that content and ads have minimal personalization. If you find that a specific site does not work properly with tracking protection, you can add a site to the exceptions list, which will turn off tracking prevention on that site. Enabling sync for your desktop and mobile browsers is useful, because you can access all your information regardless of which device you're working on. To sync Edge data on your phone with your computer, you will need to sign in with the same Microsoft account on both devices and enable sync in both the desktop and mobile versions of the browser. Once sync is enabled, your data, including history and passwords, will be shared across devices. It should work automatically, but if it doesn't, you will need to activate the sync toggle in the Sync Settings menu. Many websites have videos and other media that automatically play when you load the page. However, the audio is not always automatically muted, which can disrupt your experience. By default, autoplay is limited, meaning that videos will start automatically playing, but you won't hear the audio until you select the tab and make it active. If you want to completely block media autoplay, go to Cookies and Site Permissions, All Permissions, and Media Autoplay, and select Block from the drop-down menu. After you select Block, videos and audio will not automatically play without user interaction. If you use Edge, that doesn't mean you have to use Bing. To change the default search engine, go to the Privacy, Search and Services settings. Then, go to Search and Connected Experiences and Address Bar and Search. Under Search Engine used in the address bar, you can click the drop-down menu and choose your preferred search engine. You can choose from Bing, Yahoo, Google, and DuckDuckGo. The Favorites bar in Edge can be distracting and take up unnecessary space that could be used to display web pages or videos. To hide the Favorites bar, go to Settings, Appearance, and then under Customise Toolbar, choose Never from the Show Favorites bar drop-down. You can also choose Only on New Tabs if you only want to see it when creating a new tab. Edge has performance settings that allow you to put inactive tabs to sleep after a specified amount of time. This boosts your browser performance by freeing up system resources, like memory. When you reload the tab, it will resume where you left off. By default, tabs are put to sleep after 1 hour of inactivity. To adjust the time before a tab goes to sleep, go to System and Performance, and in the Performance section, toggle on Save Resources with Sleeping tabs to enable the feature. From the drop-down menu, you can select the preferred time. If this video was useful for you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to receive notifications whenever new content is posted, you can click on the bell icon after subscribing.